Hello, hello. How are you doing? Today I am going to show you how to cook salted sandfish and salted flounder. Okay. All right. So we have the stainless steel cookware. Okay, so I'm using the wok. I mean, you can use any other pans, but as long as steel or cast iron is good to go. But I'm using the Amway Queen cookware. So I put it under the medium-high induction range oven. So this one is not required to put super high heat, right? So right now I'm trying to heating up. So once it's ready, what you do, you just throw the fish. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with sandfish. Oh, by the way, so this is the a baking sheet, right? So all right, so the baking sheet. Oh, it is burning hot, right? So now I'm gonna put that in right now. So okay, here, baby, right? Say hi to our fish. Okay, so sandfish is normally caught in northern Japan, like Akita or Hokkaido, right? I guess. So and now so those of you in North America or Europe, people say, I used to hear people saying that I cannot cook fish in the frying pan, becoming smoking smelly. But actually, by using this method, it doesn't make you smelly or fishy. Yeah, so okay, maybe I could put one more. Okay, yeah, like this. Then just close it. And let it cook for roughly 5 minutes or so. Yeah, and then by closing or encapsulate, right? By closing the lid, it makes easier to cook. The cooking up faster. It's like the Dutch oven effect. So the heat get trapped, so that the hot air is blowing inside, right? Yeah. So this is wonderful. Yeah. So it's gonna be amazing. Yes. So those of you are using, grill. I mean, I'm not saying, don't use grill, but if by cooking or baking the fish through the stainless steel cooking pan, it makes a whole lot easier. It doesn't make smelly kind of thing. Yeah. So that's the so I call this a magic magic show kind of thing. Yeah. Okay, and very soon you're gonna smell the good stuff. Okay, not the nasty smell, the good, it's like a steakhouse like smell, the fragrance, should I say. Yeah. Okay. And number two, if you are cooking or grilling the fish through the the grill, you're gonna drop the most juiciest part, so oil as well as nutrition values. So you are wasting the part of the nutrition values if you are cooking through the grill. That's why it's a beauty to cook the fish through this stainless steel cooking pan. Yeah. Ooh, start getting burning hot. So the turntable, right? So yeah. Or if you have any requests, but I'll be happy to cook anything except fugu. or puffer fish or fugu fish, right? Or blowfish, right? You know, I don't have the license to cook that poisonous fish. So other than that, I'm sure I could do that. Yeah. So okay, it's ready. All right. Yeah. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. All right. So one. All right. Yeah, you know what? Why don't I use chopstick? Here, right? So now I'm gonna cook the flounder. Okay. Flounder. Here is the flounder. You know what? I'm kind of hungry, so let me do the tasting. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. Cheers. Mmm. Amazing. No, even the bone is getting it's quite softer, much softer. Amazing. I can even chew the head. Yeah. Praise the Lord. Wow. You didn't take too time to cook this. Yeah. Yeah, it's another one. So make some room for the flounder, right? So. All right. This one. Yeah. It's just perfect. Yeah. It's not dry at all. It's not fishy. It's just right. All right. Cha-chan! Ta-da! Now you see the flounder, right? Yeah, wonderful. So now I'm going to put this one as well. This is sandfish, okay? Then flounder. Okay. See what I can do. Oh, ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. It's all good. Yeah. Let's see the moist. Ooh, this is perfect. Ooh. It's getting flaky already. Yeah. You know what? What I'm gonna do, instead of, taking some risks. What you can do this way. Here, I show you. So that's gonna reheat this, right? Not reheat, but whoa. Right. I'm just gonna slide this in. Yeah, so that your plates won't be too messy when it comes to the cleaning up. Yeah? Okay. Here we have it. The grilled assorted fish, so to speak, right? So, flounder and sandfish. All right. So, let me try the flounder. This is good. This is good. Wow. How juicy that is. I'm gonna eat the fin. So good. No, even the bone is soft, like a butter. This is good. Praise the Lord. Here's the meat. Again, I'm sorry I've been eating in front of it like this because it's a chef's privilege, right? So, here. Awesome. This is awesome. So, see, easy. It comes off easily. Yeah. It's so good. I think this being salted or cured for maybe 2-3 weeks. Yeah. So this is how, in the ancient day, that's how they used to preserve because they didn't have the access to refrigerator or freezer, right? So this is so good. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching my video. And those of you who enjoy, please subscribe and thumbs up button, please. All right, so that you won't be missing the forthcoming cooking shows. So take care and God bless you. Ciao. Bon appetit. Hi, thank you for watching my cooking shows. Those of you enjoyed, please press the thumbs up and ring the bell. And then don't forget to subscribe my cooking channel so that you won't be missing the forthcoming cooking shows. Stay hungry and cheers, and make sure you stay strong and positive. All right, cheers. God bless you.